How to add money on Revolut virtual card. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can add money on Revolut virtual card. In order to add money to your Revolut virtual card, first of all, you need to log in into your Revolut account. And once you're logged into your account, you need to click on the Add Money tab located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you have done that, next interface you'll be able to see multiple options in order to add money to your Revolut virtual card. You can either add money through your bank transfer, debit card or credit card. So select the method whichever is convenient for you and click on add card securely if you want to add card to your account. In case you're adding a card, then you'll need to enter in the card number first of all and the expiry date and the 3-digit CVV number. If you're sure about it, then click on the add button and also make sure to enter the amount that you wish to add it to your Revolut virtual card. As you can see that the account has been funded with the amount, click on the circle icon located right in the corner, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see the list of information regarding your account, and in this way you can add money to your Revolut virtual card. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.